So we will learn how to do construction of two similar triangle with common vertex, and the smaller triangle information is given out of the two. As you can see, construction of triangle ABC similar to triangle LBN, in which triangle ABC information is given. AB is 5.1 centimeter, angle ABC is 40 degree and BC is 4.8 centimeter. So triangle ABC is given. Also they have given AC is to LN equals to 4:7, which indicate triangle ABC is smaller than the triangle LBN. So we have extended BC, we have got it in a 7 parts, N, and then we have drawn a line from N extending AB, which is intersecting at L. It is just for showing the 7 part, how it came. BC is divided in a 7 part, that you will see in the analysis. So AB is given 5.1, angle ABC is given 40 degree and AC equals to 4.8. So let us learn now analysis of it. So we have triangle LBN, in which inside we have triangle ABC. Informations are given. Analysis will begin. We want, as for the diagram, points BAL and points BCN are collinear points. Very important point to be written down. Then triangle ABC similar to triangle LBN, and be careful, AC is to LN equals to 4:7 given to us. They have not given to us BC is to BN. So we need to find out BC is to BN will be what. So as you know, once the triangle ABC similar to triangle LBN and the ratio is given, we can say that the sides of triangle ABC are smaller than sides of triangle LBN. Now once the triangles are similar, we can get AB upon LB equals to BC upon BN equals to AC upon LN, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Also AB upon LB equals to BC upon BN equals to AC upon LN equals to 4/7, because it is given to you in second point. AC is to LN is 4:7. Therefore we can say BC upon BN equals to 4:7. So that's why BN is divided in a 7 equal parts. So the next line, angle ABC equals to angle LBN, that will both will be equals to 40, corresponding angle of similar triangle. Let us draw the rough diagram considering the above. As you can see above already, and divide BC in a 4 equal part. You can see that BC has 4 equal part in the diagram. We extend that BC till N and we will have total 7 parts as it is given in the ratio. So we will draw AC parallel to LN by basic proportionality theorem. Now let us see what are the steps we will take to construct it. So we are going to construct triangle ABC similar to triangle LBN, and the information what was given is written here. So first we are going to construct triangle ABC with angle B is 40 degree, BC as 4.8 centimeter and AB as 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so now AC is to LN, we need to see that 4:7, but from analysis we have also found it out that BC upon BN equals to 4/7. That means we need to find out BN. BC is given to us, so for that purpose we know we have to divide BC in a 4 equal part, and as you know, triangle ABC is smaller than LBN. So we will extend BC till N and we will try to get 7 points. So for that we will take a radius, fixed radius, and from B point on the acute angle ray, that is pink ray, we will cut 7 arcs. So B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. Which point will be added? B4 with C will be added. Why? Because BC equals to 4 parts. So B4 will be added to C. Got it? Now from B7 we will draw a line parallel to side B4C, and that is possible when we will draw angle congruent to angle. So we will need to draw angle B4C at point B7. For that I will take a radius and draw an arc from B4. The same radius from B7 also I will draw. I will take the measurement between B4 side and B4 BC side, and from here we'll cut the arc which will intersect the previous arc drawn, and I will get the point of intersection that I will join from B7 arc. See here. So I got point N here. Correct? Now from N again I have to draw a line which is parallel to AC. So same angle congruent to angle, because corresponding angles are equal, then the lines becomes parallel. So we will fix up the radius in a rounder. From C we will cut an arc, same radius. From N we will cut an arc. We will take the gap of the arc on angle C. The same thing we will going to intersect the previous drawn arc. Then we will draw a line from N through that point and extend AB, which will intersect both at point L. These are the steps we have to take to construct the triangle. Clear? The same thing, actually how to draw it, is coming up in the video given below. Today let us draw triangle ABC similar to triangle LBN, such that they have one vertex common, and also they have given AC is to LN, the ratio of AC and LN as 4:7. Triangle ABC, whose information is given to you, is smaller than triangle LBN. In the previous video you have seen the information of bigger triangle was given. Now the information of smaller triangle is given. So let us see how to draw it. Again, first we are going to draw the smaller triangle so that we don't have any problem. Line, we will take BC as 4.8. You can check the measurement. 4.8. Cut an arc so we can get exact point B and C, which is 4.8 centimeter. With the help of protractor, at point B we will draw 40-degree angle. So the protractor is kept properly at point B. Counting begins. Here 40-degree. We will draw line passing through it. Confirm it whether the lines are drawn properly from the points so that the angle do not change. Here. Then they want 5.1 centimeter. So let us take radius as 5.1 centimeter. 5.1 is here. From B we will cut an arc. Yes, we got. We will name that point as A and 5.1 centimeter. This is 40 degree what we have done. and we have got our triangle ABC. You know that smaller triangle information was given, so we got it that. Now the total ratio they want equal part in 7. So what I'll do, I will draw an acute angle which will help me to get 7 points. So let us begin. Let's see what happens. Same method. You want, you can extend, there is no issue, but it should fit to your paper. That is what I say. Now again take a radius, fix a radius 7 centimeter from B. 1, I hope you can see clearly. 2, 3, 4, sorry, the paper is shaking, so we have to fix it up. Again 5, 6, 7. Naming B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. Now we will see our rough diagram. See, the fourth point, that is B4, is joint with C. So I will join that first. B4 is here with C, because C point is known to us. Got it? Now it is just opposite. We have to draw a line. We have to draw a line which is parallel to B4C and passes through 7. Same angle congruent to angle. Should I? I'll fix the radius here. Same radius from B7. Got it? Now I'll take the measurement here. From here I'll cut an arc. Now from B7 and this. So you got your point N. Got it? Let us begin to draw a line parallel from point N parallel to side AC. Same method. At C, same at N. Take the measurement, distance between them as you have seen. Got it? From here, yes, we got the point. So from this point and from this point, we will draw the line, extend it. So we got our point L here. They are intersecting here. You'll find these two are parallel. I hope it is very clear to you.